Hello and welcome. Today we will talk about detached head state. So we will understand what is a detached head state, what can be the problem with the detached head state, and how we can come back to the normal head state. Let's first understand what is detached head state. So we have a branch. Let's suppose we have a feature branch. Feature branch, and we are making some commits, and when we make the commit we have a head that points to the latest commit on the branch. For example, we will have a head pointer that will point to the latest commit on that branch. If we make another commit, for example, now this head will move to the latest commit and here and point to the latest commit, and we won't be having the pointer to the old commit. So if you make another commit, now the pointer will move forward and it will point to the latest commit, and we won't be having the pointer here. So the latest commit will be, we can reference the latest commit with the head. The head points to the latest commit and it also gives the reference to the branch, right? It also gives the reference to the branch that this commit is related to this branch, right? And if we make another commit, then the same process, we will have the, the head pointer pointing to the latest commit. Now, what is detached head? For example, if we check out a commit, right? If we check out a commit, let's say this commit, if we check out this commit, then the pointer, the head pointer will not be pointing to the latest commit, rather it will be pointing to the checked out commit. So now the pointer will point towards the checked out commit, and this state in which the pointer, the head pointer, is not pointing to the latest commit is called a detached head state, right? The head has been detached from this latest commit. Detached head state. Now we understand what is a detached head state when a head pointer is not pointing to the latest commit. Now this pointer is not actually giving us the information of the branch, right? Because the head has been detached. And if we make any commit in this state, for example, now we have checked out this commit, right? And let's say the SHA of this commit is 10F67V, random number I just chose. So if we make any commit here, if we make any commit here, or if we make any commit here, so there is a possibility that these commits can be lost. So what we can do to preserve these commits, we should make a branch. We should create a branch and we can preserve these commits. So now with the help of Git Kraken, I will show you how it works, and then that will be easier for you to understand. So now we know what is a detached head, and now let's see using the Git Kraken how we can produce this case there. Okay, so now let's try to produce that case. Let's try to first create a detached head state, and then we will see what can be the problems with the detached head state. So now we have different commits here. So this is the first commit, and either we can check out this commit or we can check out this commit. This commit contains two files. Let's check out this one. This is an easier commit and we only have one file. So I will right click and I will say check out this commit. Now, as you can see, my head pointer is pointing here. And now let me commit something in the detached head state. So I will go to the file and say this is detached head state, just one line, and I will save this. I will save this. Now here I can see one file change in the working directory. I will view the change. As you can see here, a message that you are in a detached head state. Why we are in a detached head state? Because this commit, we checked out this commit, and this commit is right now not belonging to any branch. Yeah, it is belonging to a branch, but since we have checked out, so it doesn't belong to any branch. So what we can do, okay, let's stage this file, and uh, let's make a commit. So we say detached head commit, right? And I can commit. So now I am in a detached head state. So this commit is a detached head commit, right? Okay, so what is the problem? What can be the problem? Now, if I check out any branch, for example, if I check out master, now you must notice that when I will check out this master, I will lose this detached head commit, right? So let me check out this master branch. And as you see, I have checked out my master branch, but I don't have the detached head commit anymore. So this is a problem. This is something which we need to take care, that if we are in a detached head state, and if we are committing something, and if we check out any other branch, then we will lose all our work. Now, what can be the solution of this? Let's produce the detached head state once again. And now let's make the commit, the same commit. Let's say detached head state. Okay. Let me save and commit this file. Save. And now it's again giving me the information that, and it's also giving me the tooltip. If you can see, it says that if you check out another branch or commit, you might lose any commits created in detached head state, as we just saw. So now let's stage this file and say detached head commit, and let's commit this file. Now, how I can preserve this information? I must create a branch, right? I have an option that create branch here. So I will create a branch, and I will say, for example, this was a hotfix. This was a production hotfix. So, and I will create the branch with the name of hotfix1. Now my detached head commit is a part of a branch, and now it is saved. Now if I check out any other branch, let's say let me check out master. Now my detached head commit is still there, because my detached head commit is not a hanging commit anywhere. It's linked to a branch, and I can use this branch to merge or to rebase or whatever I want to. So this was about the detached head state and what can be the possible problems, and how we can solve the problem. So that's it for this lecture, and I will see you in next lecture. Thank you.